Hello again, it's Jennifer Marshall, your criminal defense and family law attorney in Piscataway, New Jersey. And I want to talk to you today about something that's been blowing up on my social media with past clients, new people interested in my business, and just friends who are chatterbugs about it. I don't know if you've all heard about the Texas anti-abortion law. Now, I don't do reproductive rights or abortion law, but I want to talk to you today about it because it started a very interesting conversation. I wanted to give my 2 cents on an aspect of it that I don't think people are really considering. If you're unfamiliar, the Texas anti-abortion law makes it okay for a citizen to sue somebody who goes and gets an abortion after 6 weeks after the cardiac activity. Now, what this means, if you need an example, is if you're a female and you're being driven to the clinic by your Uber or Lyft driver, and by chance you tell them you're going to a clinic to get an abortion, technically that Uber driver can sue you and the clinic. And I know this has caused a great bit of frustration with people on social media. They can't understand the horrificness of this law and how this could happen. And women are saying it's my body, my right. Now, while all of that is true and all opinions matter, what I got from this and what I want everybody to realize is you have to choose your leaders. And the reason I bring this up is because the Supreme Court, even to people like myself, like a lawyer, the United States Supreme Court sits on high. They're the ones who make the decisions for the whole country, and they make law that's going to affect decades and decades from now. And my best advice that I gave to everybody on social media was, if you're not happy with how the Supreme Court came down on the Texas abortion law, you have to pick your leaders. And the reason being is Supreme Court justices are nominated by the president. So whoever you elect to that office, be it their morals, their thoughts, their views on the law, translates to who they pick for the Supreme Court. And a lot of people didn't realize that Supreme Court justices are nominated for life. That means either they die or they're retired in order to get out. So if you're upset with the Texas anti-abortion law or any laws that you see coming down from the Supreme Court, you have to sit and think, am I choosing the right leader that has my values and my thoughts on the law? Because every aspect of what I do is touched by the Supreme Court. We've all heard of Miranda warnings, search and seizure. Those were all decided by the United States Supreme Court. And just to give you a little bit of an idea of who's making these decisions, I took some notes on this because I couldn't believe it either. The oldest justice on the Supreme Court is 83 years old, and he was put in by President Clinton. There are 3 other justices who were put on by George W. Bush, 2 by Barack Obama, and 3 by Donald Trump. And the highest age, again, was 83. The youngest was the most recent person, a female, Justice Barrett, who's 49 years old. So the age goes from 49 to 83. And 6 out of the 9 justices are men, and only 3 are females. So keep that in mind for anybody who has an issue with the anti-abortion law, that men are kind of making the big decisions here. In that Texas case, it was a 5-4 vote. So keep that in mind when you go out for your elections, any elections that you have for your leaders. Remember, the decisions you make today are not only going to affect you, but decades of people down the road, and affect what I can do for you in the courtroom. Because again, the Supreme Court rules supreme on all decisions concerning the law. So again, I handle issues with children and family law and divorce, custody, child support, and I can be here to help you if you have any questions. And again, my name is Jennifer Marshall. And remember, when the legal system has you on the ropes, I'll be your 1-2 punch. Thank you.